Here's a clear step-by-step on how to fix an LG Smart TV that won't turn on and shows a black screen. Before you start, safety first. Unplug the TV before touching cables or ports. Don't open the TV. Power supplies store dangerous voltage. Number 1. Quick power reset. Fixes 50% of cases. Unplug the TV from the wall. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. Plug directly into a wall outlet. No surge strip. Try powering on from the TV's button first, then the remote. If it turns on once but acts weird later. Once you have a picture, go to Settings, then All Settings, then General, then Devices, then TV Management, then Quick Start Plus, then Off, then Settings, then Connection, then Device Connection Settings, then Simplink HDMI CC, then Off. These can cause wake or sleep handshake bugs. Number 2. Verify outlet, cable and remote. Outlet. Plug in a lamp or phone charger to confirm power. Try a different outlet. Power cord. Firmly reseat both ends. If it's a detachable cable, try another. Remote. Replace batteries. Point the remote at a phone's camera. Press a button and look for flashing IR light in the camera preview. If no flash, the remote is bad. Use the TV's joystick or power button under the logo or back edge to test. Number 3. Remove bad HDMI handshakes. Disconnect all HDMI devices, consoles, streamers, AVR. Power on the TV with no inputs attached. Do you see the LG logo or menu? If the TV now shows a menu, one device or cable was crashing HDMI CC or HDCP. Reconnect devices one at a time. Replace any suspect HDMI cable. Optional. Leave Simplink HDMI CC off to prevent future black screen on wake issues. Number 4. Black but has sound. Backlight panel check. With the TV on, play known audio, YouTube, set-top box. Flashlight test. In a dark room, shine a flashlight at an angle at the screen and look closely. Faint image visible. The backlight LED models likely failed or backlight driver. No faint image and no menu, but standby LED behaves like it's on, then could be T-Con, main board panel. Number 5. Force a webOS cold start soft reset. Method A. Common LG remotes hold power and volume down on the remote together for 10 to 12 seconds until the LG logo appears, then release. Method B. Unplug TV 60s, then hold TV's physical power 30s, then plug in, then power on. Once you're in Settings, then Support, then Software Update, then check for updates. Number 6. Input and picture sanity checks. When you do get an image, cycle inputs with the input button. Confirm you're on HDMI 1 or your active port. Settings, then picture mode settings, then reset. Turn energy saving off. Some modes dim to near black in dark rooms. Number 7. Sound test, picture test, if menu works. Settings, then Support, then Self-diagnosis, picture test. Label varies by model. If the picture test graphic is also black, the issue is inside the TV, not your source. Number 8. OLED specific notes. OLEDs don't have a backlight, but a black screen with sound can still be main T-Con panel. If the set recently ran a pixel refresher, leave it plugged in for a while. Don't interrupt. Disable Quick Start Plus. It can cause wake issues. Number 9. What the symptoms usually mean. No standby light, no click, no LG logo, multiple outlets tried. Likely power board service. Standby light changes when you press power, but screen stays black. Faint image in flashlight. Backlight driver failure AD, then repair required. Logo appears, then goes black with inputs connected. HDMI, CC handshake or bad cable or device. Random blackouts that recover. Firmware, CEC, energy settings or overheating, ensure ventilation. Number 10. When to repair warranty path. Still under 1 year manufacturer or extended retailer warranty. Contact LG support with model and serial. Out of warranty and backlight failure. Very common on LED sets. Typical repair is LED strips or backlight driver. Weigh cost versus replacement. If you're not seeing the LG logo at all and the flashlight test shows a faint image, get a pro diagnosis. Don't open the set yourself. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.